these children to live in a safe home, where in the evening when they come after school, they feel confident to come home. Not to come home and meet an uncle who is a perpetrator, who is being kept by the father and the mother, thinking he's a relative. Kumbe nikamukora hapo, iwonsa ile wazazi wameenda kazi, ananyemelea watoto. Huyo ni mtu tunasema ashindwe, justice Mugure Tambe, funga yeye, and we may even need to amend the laws to ensure that they stay in court, they stay in cells for the rest of their lives. Hiyo mbegu wako naye wakae naye huko kwa jela mpaka zitokomee hapo. Wazazi, muwafundishe watoto wajue shida ama challenges ambayo wanaweza kuwa wanapitia na wajui. They are very innocent. These people, boys and girls, they play together. They don't know those things. Sasa unakubali mtoto aende disco matanga, aende afanye nini huko?
These empty rooms that were once court cells were transformed into a sanctuary, a warm and colorful environment where a child can hold a toy, sit comfortably and speak their truth with courage. This child-friendly court is more than furniture or paint. It's a statement that justice must never add to a child's trauma. Instead, it must help heal it.
This courtroom is a testament to what is possible when government, civil society, and community works together with one shared purpose, which is to protect the future of our children and to restore hope and dignity. Kwa watoto wote wa Kilifi, this place is for you. May you always remember as you walk in here that your story is honored, that healing is for you, and that hope can be restored.
We have all the three arms of government ziko hapa. Sote pamoja tushikane, multi-sectorial approach, tuhakikishe ya kwamba hawa watoto wamelindwa, hawa watoto wamependwa na maelekezo.